Hello viewers, in this video I am showing how to decorate a purse using transfer sheets. You get lots of transfer sheets design in the market now. I have these two. Okay, I'll be using these two. For this you need a plain purse, probably light color will be good for this one. These also you get in craft shops. I have two here, and the transfer, of course, the transfer sheets and water and sponge and varnish. Water you need to pour in these kind of plates. So whatever you design you want to put it here, cut from this one. So whatever, how much your size requires. So I'm using this design, so I'm cutting off this part. So this I have cut. Adjust the design. Whatever extra you can cut it off. So this is the design I am using. So there will be a transparent sheet on this one. So you need to remove that. See, this is the transparent sheet. You need to remove that. Now place this in the water this way. It should immerse in the water. This is for 10 seconds you can put it, and then now take this out. Place it on the surface. Now dab with this sponge. Now slowly remove the paper. You can see it. You should keep it for drying, and after that you can varnish with this any varnish. Here I am using Itsy Bitsy Decor varnish. Let it dry for some time. One more I am making on this one. You can use two designs also. I'll be using this design and this design for this one. So this design I'll be using here and this one here. So I'm precisely cutting this one. So I'll be keeping it here. This here. So again same. Remove the transparent sheet on this one. Immerse in the water. Should not be for more time, 10 to 15 seconds. Now keep it wherever you want to transfer the design, and dab with this sponge. Slowly it comes out easily. Now for this design, what I want to keep it here. Let it dry for some time. You can varnish on this one. Easy method to decorate a purse. Now this has dried. On this I am applying varnish. This is how it looks. process done. Keep it for drying for some time. This is very easy method to decorate a purse, and I have also shown how to decorate a purse using decoupage. I have given the link below, you can check it.